Hello students, how are you all? This is your second video after the holidays and this chapter is about to over. I am going to finish this chapter in 2-3 days. So one of the student has texted Avasti ma'am that he or she has not understood question number 3 of exercise he has not mentioned. So I am going to explain question number 3 of exercise 4E again. That I have already explained in yesterday's video. मैं उसे दोबारा समझाने जा रही हूँ because I got a query. So question number 3 was that the traffic lights at 2 different road crossings change after every 48 seconds and 72 seconds. If they change simultaneously at 7 AM, at what time will they change simultaneously again? तो आप लोग अगर जाते होंगे रिकाबगंज में तो आप देखते होंगे कि वहाँ पे ट्रैफिक लाइट्स है, तो दैट ट्रैफिक लाइट्स यूज टू चेंज. ठीक है, रेड होती है, ग्रीन होती है, येलो होती है, दे यूज टू चेंज. सो हेयर इन दिस क्वेश्चन द ट्रैफिक लाइट्स आर चेंजिंग आफ्टर 48 सेकेंड्स एंड आफ्टर 72 सेकेंड्स. सो इट इज़ आस्क्ड दैट कि 7 बजे अगर वो लाइट्स चेंज हुई हैं तो अब वो कितने टाइम बाद दोबारा चेंज होंगी, कितने सेकंड्स बाद दे आर गोइंग टू चेंज अगेन. तो आपको 48 और 72 का एलसीएम लेना होगा, लोएस्ट कॉमन मल्टीपल, क्योंकि आप दोनों लाइट्स, एक लाइट पहले आपकी 48 सेकंड्स बाद चेंज हुई है, फिर 72 सेकंड्स के बाद चेंज हुई है. सो नाउ वी हैव टू टेक द एलसीएम. 2 24 ज़ा, 2 3 ज़ा 6, 2 6 ज़ा 12, 2 12 ज़ा, 2 18 ज़ा, then 2 6 ज़ा, 2 9 ज़ा, then 2 3 ज़ा. 9 is not a multiple of 2. Now 3 1 ज़ा, 3 3 ज़ा, again 3 1 ज़ा 3. Now the LCM is over. So what will be the LCM? 4 times 2, 2 times 3. That means 2 2 ज़ा 4, 4 2 ज़ा 8, 8 2 ज़ा 16, 16 3 ज़ा 48, 48 3 ज़ा 48 3 ज़ा 144. As these two were in seconds, 48 seconds and 72 seconds. So the answer will also be in seconds. So that means after 144 seconds, पहले तो वो 7 बजे चेंज हुई थी, अब वो 7 बजे के 144 seconds के बाद चेंज होंगी. तो what do you have to do? You have to convert 144 seconds into minutes, and 1 minute is equals to how many seconds? 60 seconds. So 144 seconds is equals to, in minutes we have to convert. So you are going to divide it by 60 in order to convert it into minutes. So I am going to perform the division. So as you all can see that 61 are 60, 62 are 120. So the remainder is 24. That means 144 seconds in minutes is 2 minutes 24 seconds. So the lights have changed at 7 AM, right? अब 7 बजे के बाद, यानी तो 7 बजे के बाद इतना टाइम और होगा तब लाइट फिर से चेंज होंगी. दैट मीन्स 7 AM 2 minutes 24 seconds. This is the time. Okay students, now I am going to start the chapter revision exercise from the maths book. So there are some multiple choice questions given, some true false and some of the filling the blanks. All the questions you are supposed to do in the maths book itself. Any question which is supposed to be done in the copy, I will tell you in the video itself. So don't get confused and don't ask from your class teachers. So the first question from chapter revision, which is on page number 67, is which of the following numbers is divisible by 4 and 5? तो आप लोगों को बताना है, there are 4 options given to you. Which of the following numbers is divisible by 4 and 5? तो आप लोगों को इसमें क्या करना होगा? You have to recall the rule of 4 and rule of 5. Because we have to check by both. It's not like that कि 4 से divisible होगा, 5 से नहीं होगा तो चल जाएगा. Both the rules should be followed, then only that particular number will be divisible by 5. 4 and 5 both. So how will we check that? So there are 4 options. Firstly I will write the options. 215, 300, 824, and then the fourth option is 700 10. How will we check that these four numbers are divisible by 4 and 5 or not? So the rule of 4 was that any number is divisible by 4 if the digit at ones place and the digit at tens place is divisible by 4, then particular number is also divisible by 4. तो हमें ये चेक कर रहा है कि 4 का भी रूल फॉलो हो और 5 का भी हो. What was the rule of 5? The rule of 5 was any number is divisible by 5 its unit digit if its unit digit is 0 or 5. That means the digit at ones place should be 0 or 5, then only that particular number will be divisible by 5. So firstly we will check this number. This number is having 5, so it is divisible by 5. But for 4 the digit at ones place and tens place is 15. तो 15 जो है वो 4 से divisible नहीं है. That means this number is not divisible by 4 and 5 both. Now check for this number. This is having 0 at the ones place. That means it is divisible by 5. Now we have to check for 4. तो जैसा कि अगर आप 4 से चेक करेंगे तो 4 के रूल में भी ये दोनों डिजिट 0 0 हैं और आप पूरा डिवाइड करके भी देखेंगे तो ये आपका 4 से डिविजिबल होगा. बिकॉज 4 7s are 28, 2 remainder, 4 5s are 20. That means this number is divisible by 4 and 5 both. That means we have got the answer. There is no need to check for the others number. If we check for this number, it is having 4 at the unit place. That means it is not divisible by 5. If we check for this number, the digit formed by the ones place and tens place is 10, which is not divisible by 4. That means the answer is 300. So put a tick mark with pencil in your maths book और आप वहाँ पे आज की डेट भी मेंशन करेंगे because this work is of today. Now I am going to solve the next question. The only prime number which is even is, you have to reply your answers in the comment section because everybody know this answer. So the only prime number which is even is 2. Okay students, so option number A is the right answer. Now I am going to solve for the third question. The prime factors of 36 are, I have already told you to find out, I have already given you the method to find out the prime factors. For that we have to take the LCM. Just begin with 2, 2 1s are, 2 8s are, then 2 9s are, then 3. So as we all can see that the prime factors are 2 and 3. So the option which is given as 2 and 3, that is option number B is the right answer. Okay students. Now come to question number 4. 2 consecutive prime numbers are. Consecutive means they should be one after the other and both the numbers should be prime numbers. So in the first option it is given 1 and 2. I have already told you 1 is neither prime nor composite. That means first option is totally wrong. Come to the second option, 2 and 3. 2 is also a prime number, 3 is also a prime number and both are one after the other. That means option number B is correct for question number 4. Now look for the other options also. अगर आपको सही आंसर मिल गया है तो इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि बाकी ऑप्शंस आप नहीं चेक करेंगे. You have to check for the other options also. Now in order to get better clarity about the concept. So C option is 4 and 5. So 4 is a composite number, it's not prime number. So this is wrong. 5 and 6. 6 is also a composite number. This is not a prime number. That is why D option is also wrong. Now come to question number 5. All the questions you have to do in the maths book only. So question number 5 is the prime factors of 264 are. So to find out the prime factors, what we have to do? We have to take the LCM of 264. So I am going to take the LCM for you. 2 1s are, 2 3s are, 2 2s are. Now 2 6 are 12, 2 6 are 12 because 1 was remainder. Now 2 33s are, then 3 11s are, then 11 1s are. So 2, 3 and 11. So the option having 2, 3 and 11 is the right answer and that option is option number D. Okay students. Now I am going to solve the next question. That next question is question number 6. The common factors of 24 and 32 are. Common factors हम लोगों को बताने हैं of which numbers? 24 and 32. For that I am going to write the factors of 24 and 32 and we will check which factors are common. 1 1 2 2 then 3 4 6 8 12, right, and 24. Now come to this number 1 2 4, then 16, then 8, then 32. So these are the factors of 24 and 32. Now we have to check for the common factors. 1 is a factor of every number, so that is common. 2 is also common. Then 4 is common in both the numbers. 8 is also common in both the numbers. So 2, 4 and 8. Options having the numbers 2, 4, 8, that is option number C is correct. So you have to put a tick mark over there. Now come to question number 7. Question number 7 is the HCF of 12, 18 and 42 is 12, 18 and 42. So I have already given you the methods to check for the LCM. So the method which I find convenient is the division method. 12 ones are 12, 6 is the remainder, 6 twos are 12. Right, now 6 sevens are 42. That means what is the HCF? The HCF of these three numbers, that is the highest common factor of 12, 18 and 42 is 6. Okay students, now I am going to solve question number 8. All the questions are supposed to be done in the maths book, so it's not very hectic for you. You just have to tick the options. Just watch the video and tick the options with pencil in the maths book. So question number 8 is the LCM of 9, 10 and 45. For that we have to take the LCM in order to find out the answer. 9 doesn't comes in the table of 5, 5 twos are 5, 9s are. Then it will go by 3, 3 3s are 9, 2 नहीं आता, 3 3s are 9. Then again 3 1s are, 3 1s are. Then last में आपका 2 1s are. So we have got all the ones at the bottom. Now how will we check for the LCM? 3 3s are 9, 5 2s are 10 and 10 9s are 90. So the option which is having 90, that is the correct option. That means option number B. Now I am going to solve question number 9. Question number 9 is the sum of two prime numbers is 24 and their difference is 10. The numbers are, ठीक है, आपको 4 ऑप्शंस दिए हुए हैं. पेयर ऑफ प्राइम नंबर्स यू आर given but as per the question when we are adding both the prime numbers the answer is 24, but when we are subtracting both the prime numbers the answer is 10 as per the question. तो अब हम क्या करेंगे, सारे पेयर्स को चेक कर सकते हैं. So when you are going to, first option is 5 and 19. 5 is also a prime number, 19 is also a prime number. So 5 plus 19 is 24. First condition is followed. Now check for the second one. 19 minus 5 is 14. The second condition is not followed. So this option is wrong. Now check for the second option. 17 plus 7 is 24 and 17 minus 7 is 10. Both the conditions are followed. That means 17 and 7 and both the numbers are also prime numbers. That means the second option is totally right. When coming to the C option, C is 21 and 3 and 21 is a composite number, so it is already cancelled. Come to option number 11 and 13. So 11 plus 13 is 24 but 13 minus 11 is 2. That means that option is also not correct. So the correct option is B option, that is 17 and 7. Now come to question number 10. Prime numbers from 30 to 40 are. तो 30 से लेके 40 के बीच में जो prime numbers है you have to mention that. 30 to 40 means you have to include 30 and 40 also, but both the numbers are composite numbers. So 31, 32, 33 both are composite, 34 composite, 35 composite, 36 composite, 37 is a prime number, and then 38 is a composite number, 39 is also a composite number. So 31 and 37 is the right answer. So that is option number C. Now question number B is state whether the following statements are true or false. So you have to do it by your own in your maths book. You just have to give the heading as homework. आप इसको homework की heading देंगे और pencil से इसको करेंगे. Now come to the exercise C, that is filling the blanks. You have to do with pencil. This is your class work. जो मैं आपको options बताऊंगी, you just have to write the answers with pencil in the maths book. So the first option is a number which has exactly 2 factors is called. आप लोग भी अपने आंसर्स कमेंट सेक्शन में कमेंट कर सकते हैं if you know the answers. So a number having exactly 2 factors means 1 and the number itself, that means the number is a prime number. So the first option is prime number. Coming to the second option, a number which has more than 2 factors is called. Please answer the right answer in the comment section. If you know the right answer, please answer in the comment section. So the number having more than 2 factors is called a composite number. Now coming to the third point, that is dash is the smallest prime number. So we know that 2 is the smallest prime number and 2 is the smallest even prime number and 2 is the only prime number which is even. So by this you are going to get the answer of option number 4 also. Dash is the only prime number which is even. So 2 is the right answer. Come to option number 5. The number dash is neither a prime number nor a composite number. So I have already told you 1 is neither prime nor composite. So 1 is the answer for option number 5. Right. So come to the D exercise. Solve the following. अब इसमें आपको कुछ कॉपी वर्क मिलेगा. अभी तक आपका बुक वर्क चल रहा था and that was very easy. Everything you have done in the maths book. Now from D exercise you have to do in your maths copy. So question number 1, use the divisibility rule to find if. So these options A and B you are supposed to do in your homework copy. खुद करना है आपको. Now question number 2, make the factor tree of 28. That is also you are supposed to do in your maths homework copy. आप खुद करेंगे. Now come to question number 3. Write the multiples of 3 from 10 to 25. यानी 10 से लेके 25 इंक्लूडिंग 10 एंड 25 बोथ. अगर बिटवीन लिखा होता तो हम इसको इंक्लूड ना करते. तो आपको मल्टीपल्स लिखने हैं. 3 के मल्टीपल्स यानी जो 3 से डिविजिबल हों. तो 10 के बाद आपका 12, 15, 18, 21 एंड 24. So these are the multiples of 3 from 10 to 25. यानी कि ये 3 के टेबल में आते हैं. 10 से 25 के बीच में है. Now come to question number 4. Write 2 prime numbers whose sum is 13. आपको ऐसे 2 प्राइम नंबर्स लिखने हैं जिनका सम यानी जिनको ऐड करना. सम मीन्स व्हाट? ऐड. सो जिनको ऐड करने से क्या आए? 13 आए. तो मेरा जो आंसर है वो है 11 एंड 2 बिकॉज 11 प्लस 2 इज़ 13. अगर आपको कोई और पेयर पता है तो यू कैन राइट इन द कमेंट सेक्शन. आई विल चेक योर आंसर्स. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ कम टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. राइट. ये जो आपका क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 है आप इसे बुक में ही कर लेंगे. देयर इज नो नीड टू राइट दिस आंसर इन कॉपी विथ पेंसिल. यू हैव टू डू इन द बुक. I am giving all the instructions in the video itself, so don't ask from your class teachers again and again. कोई भी पूछेगा नहीं. You have to watch the video carefully और पूरी वीडियो देखनी है आपको. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. राइट 2 composite numbers which are divisible by 4. तो 4 के टेबल में जो 2 नंबर्स आते हैं कोई भी 2 नंबर से आप लिख दीजिए. 24, 32. There can be so many other numbers. अगर आपके पास कोई और आंसर है तो you can write in the comment section. I will check for it. So students, till question number 5 we have done. Now question number 6, 7, 8, 9 is left. Right. So question number 6, 7, 8, 9. These are based on LCM and HCF. So इसको हम लोग क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 और 7 आप अपनी होमवर्क कॉपी में कर लेंगे. I am including one more option to be done in the homework copy. Question number 6 and question number 7 of D exercise supposed to be done in the maths homework copy. Right. Now come to question number 8 and question number 9. ये मैंने आपको जो कल समझाया था उसी के बेस पे है. So I will explain it you in tomorrow's video. So I hope all of you have understood whatever I have taught. क्योंकि अभी मैं समझाऊंगी तो कुछ ज़्यादा हो जाएगा आप लोगों के लिए. If you have understood, please like the video, subscribe the channel. Thank you students.
Subscribe the channel and press the bell icon.